Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf
Left.
of Catoosa County
Left.
Superintendent Chance Nix
Left.
and Heritage High School
Question
Principal
mark?
Matthew
It don't
Phillips,
matter at this point.
please welcome to the
Try.
field the
Try your best.
2025 Heritage High School
It's okay.
Legion
We'll get it
of
fixed before
Generals.
comp tomorrow.
The Legion of Generals have performed their show Blue, featuring the music
Count,
of
Blade.
Carlos Rafael Rivera, Kenny Dorham,
12, 13,
Frank Tikeli,
15,
Arthur
16,
Pryor,
17,
George
18,
Gershwin,
19, 20,
and
21,
Irving Berlin. The Legion is under the field direction of drum majors Nicholas Anchando,
30, 31,
Lydia Colquitt,
32,
and
33,
Annalie
34,
Modine.
35,
Captains are
38,
Garrett Long, Hudson
40,
Case,
41,
and
42,
Emmeline Brown. Tonight's performance
Ooh,
will
I'm
feature
too close.
soloists Nicholas Anchando, Parker Scott, Garrett Long, Abigail Stetzner, and Mason Courtney Soper, with featured choreography by Mia Bella Little. Drum majors, is your band ready to take the field? And now, ladies and gentlemen, sit back, relax, and enjoy a post-game performance of the Legion of Generals.
Blue. What is blue? Blue is the ocean.
Blau ist der Ozean,
Blue is the sky.
azul es el cielo,
Blue is a color.
my daddy is something beneficent.
Blue is when I'm sad.
Blue is blue, 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 blue.
Come on. Pancakes, I like pancakes. And waffle soup. Small steps. Jello cup. Line, line. Wrong visual, fellas. My fault entirely.
An immortal experiment called the Rhapsody in Re.
One, two, Behind the front.